Traffic police hand signal. Traffic priority is given to a traffic policeman. Hand signal, where it cancels the effect of all road traffic control devices and aims to control vehicles' traffic. Also, there are meanings for traffic policeman. Whistle sounds. Based on principles, rules, and meanings which will be illustrated later. Traffic policeman hand signals. Signal to stop vehicles coming from front. The policeman is facing the coming vehicles, his left or right arm raised at a right angle, his paw facing the front, and the other arm alongside the cartage to down. Signal to stop vehicles coming from back. The back of the policeman is facing vehicles required to stop. His right or left arm extended straight and aligned with the shoulder, and backbone is in the direction of traffic coming from the back, and the other arm alongside the body down. Signal to stop vehicles coming from front and back together. The policeman is facing the coming vehicles. The left arm is extended straight to up or in the direction of coming traffic, while back of policeman is facing the traffic coming from the back. Right arm is extended straight, aligned with the shoulder, and backbone is in the direction of these vehicles. Signal for moving of vehicles coming from the front. The policeman is facing traffic, his left arm extended with the bracum in the front, at the level of the shoulder, while forearm and palm directed up at a right angle, with bracum back. Bomb in the direction of the traffic coming from the front, and forearm can be moved to front and back to show the intended signal. Signal for moving of vehicles coming from the right. Traffic motion is for vehicles coming from the right, and vehicles coming from the back and front must completely stop, with the right arm extended with the extent of the shoulder. Back palm is open to up, with left brachium at the level of the shoulder from the left side. Forearm and the palm at the right angle with the brachium and the motion of the forearm, and palm in the direction of the brachium. Signal for motion of vehicles coming from the left. Traffic motion is for vehicles coming from the left, and vehicles coming from front and back must completely stop with the left arm extended with the extent of the shoulder. Backbone is open to up, with right bracum at the level of the shoulder from the right side. Forearm and the palm at the right angle with the bracum, and the motion of forearm and palm in the direction of the bracum. Traffic policeman whistle signals. Traffic policeman whistle and meaning of its use. The sound of traffic policeman with soul has specific meanings, and the driver has to pay attention and implement it as follows. Short sound followed by long sound means stop signal. When the policeman sees the traffic or the pedestrian, motion should be stopped. He blows short sound for attention, and then long sound to stop. Long sound followed by short sound means move signal. Long sound to attract attention of the drivers and pedestrians, then blows a short sound to start motion. Short consecutive sounds means acceleration when hearing the sound. All beware to accelerate. Long consecutive sounds means increase attention and caution. When the driver and the pedestrian hear the sound, they have to stop to determine the demand of the traffic policeman. It is used also to increase caution between members of the police.